Oh, yeah.
Open it there.
What's it gonna be?
Open it right there.
What's it gonna be?
I don't think it's underwear.
Awesome. Who's this from?
I know that came up with that.
I'm filming. So let's go. Yep. Get to tearing.
Do you want this car? Yay.
It's a big bag. Nice.
I know it takes the Chainsaw Massacre was good.
Aw. I wondered what happened to my poster. I thought I lost it. Thank you so much.
Who found it?
This was
Santa
my,
found it.
This was my poster from when I had a book signing here several years ago.